If your website, pitch deck, or LinkedIn page could belong to any company in your industry, you've already lost the battle for attention. And it's not that your message is wrong, it's that your message is replaceable. You're saying the same words every competitor says: trusted, proven, results driven, partner, not vendor. It's not positioning, that's noise. And the tragedy is, your company probably is different, but your story sounds like it came out of the same template as everybody else. So, prospects lump you in with the crowd, they skim and move on. So, you didn't lose the deal because you weren't good enough. You lost the deal because you weren't memorable. And the opposite of differentiation isn't similarity, it's actually invisibility. If your story doesn't provoke emotion, challenge assumptions, or make people say, "That's exactly what we've been thinking," you don't own a position, you're kind of renting a position. Standing out doesn't mean sounding edgy, it means sounding true in a way that no one else has dared to say yet. We recently worked with a B2B company that had everything right: the results, the team, the track record. But their marketing copy read like everyone else's. They were afraid to be bold, afraid to claim a sharper truth, afraid to make the message sound human. So we started by rewriting just one line on their homepage from "We help organizations optimize performance." We changed it to "We help ambitious companies stop losing deals they should be winning." That one sentence outperformed their entire previous campaigns. Why? Because it said what every CEO secretly feels, and no one else had the courage to put into words. Let's put it this way: the market doesn't reward the most polished company, it rewards the one that tells the truth the most clearly. So if you sound like everyone else, your prospects will correctly assume you perform like everyone else. So audit your message. Every word that could belong to a competitor, get rid of it. Every sentence that sounds like a brochure, rewrite it. Every line that hides the truth, sharpen it. If you're ready to stop sounding generic and start owning your category, book a 30-day clarity sprint. We will rebuild your message from the inside out: sharper, simpler, and impossible to confuse. Because clarity isn't what makes you sound professional, clarity is what makes you unforgettable.